Okay, welcome. So today I'm going to be teaching you on how to make $1,000 to $3,000 monthly from Upwork. How you can make money from Upwork using the voice of God. Now, this technique I'm going to teach you has not been taught anywhere. This technique is a great technique using the voice of God, using visions, using speaking in tongues, using impressions, using dreams, using open visions, closed visions. I'm going to teach you how to use these things to get clients, get people that will pay you from Upwork monthly. I know a lot of you have joined different kind of classes, you've joined different master class, you've paid money, and still yet there's no result. Still yet there's no result. They tell you write a proposal, pitch, do this, do that. Still yet there was no result. But today I'm going to teach you the unique principle of how to get clients. Yes, strategy is good. You must know those strategy. First of all, you have to know those things that you need to do on Upwork. You need to know how to register on your on Upwork. You need to know how to write proposals. But I'm going to teach you some unique strategy that you're going to use when you apply them on Upwork. You're going to see the effectiveness. You're going to see how your financial life is going to change. I tell people strategy will fail you, but the voice of God will not fail you. So there are a lot of persons we are in the same class learning same thing, but only one person is making sales. Why? Because either the person is actually doing something right that you don't know. So what you have to do is to, if you can hear the voice of God or see a vision, the voice of God will help you to work. Just change something, just little changes. The voice of God will tell you to remove this name, add this name, do like this, and boom, you see that you start making sales. So that's why we hold a lot of master classes and there's no result. We hold a lot of master classes and you are going to do it like this, you do it like this, you do like this, you do like this, you do same thing, still yet you're not seeing results. Still yet you're not seeing results. Is because the voice of God is missing. So if you can hear the voice of God in everything that you're doing, in the business that you're doing, in getting clients, stuff like that, the voice of God will tell you. The voice of God have told me on how to make $100,000, $100, sorry. I needed that money. So the voice of God told me, message this person, and boom, I got the $100. I got the $100. So I'm going to teach you the same principle. This video is going to be in series. This video is going to be in series. So this is part one. So don't forget, make sure you follow everything I'm saying step by step. So first of all, for those of you that don't know about Upwork, what is Upwork? Upwork is a freelancing platform. Upwork is a freelancing platform where people that needs your skill are there to pay you. So let's say for example, you're a web developer, you're a content writer, you're a script writer, you're a video editor. There are people that need those services. So you rest on Upwork and those people upload their job, you pitch or you if you can do that job, you just write a proposal to them, you pitch them, and what they give you the job. So I'm going to teach you the unique principle. So for those of you that don't know how to rest on Upwork, you go to Upwork, www.upwork.com. Then you can make sure you have a skill. Either you write blogging, if you're a blogger, a content creator, any kind of skill you know you can do well. But what you need to understand is what I'm teaching you here today is hearing the voice of God. The voice of God will make it easier for you. So you go to Upwork, and when you go to Upwork, these are okay. These are okay. Let's go to okay, let's say because on Upwork I'm a content writer. So you see this place, search for job. Let me do article writing. Let me click on article writing. Now you see a lot of things we show people that needs that's my job, that need stuff like that. So you can easily put entry level, intermediate level, expert level, your experience. I know how to write articles very well, so I'll just leave it like that. But for you, for a beginner, you can just easily tick entry level, this entry level, so it will filter the jobs there, to filter the jobs. And again, also click on payment verified. So that's to tell you this the people that are actually dropping this job, they pay. You understand? They pay, and you can also pick less than five proposal. These are things that you should do. Less than five proposal. So now, what do I do when I come on Upwork? Now, pitch or I do anything on Upwork, the first thing I do is I pray in tongues. For those of you that don't know how to pray in tongues, I'm still going to teach you other principles, but you should learn how to pray in tongues. It's the gift of the Spirit. So the first thing I do is I pray in tongues. I pray in tongues before I come straight on Upwork. So after that, what do I do next? I look at the jobs available. I look at the jobs available. Ghostwriter slash writing assistant will help me finish chapter, a guidebook on personal statement. Wow, say I'm writing a short guide. You read it. I'm writing a short guidebook on how to write personal statement to get into top universities. I need a writing assistant slash ghostwriter to help me. So this person is actually this is the job description. So if you like that, you can go for it. But I'm still going to teach you on what to do and what not to do. I'm still going to teach you on what how you can get these things. Now, the first thing I said is you have to pray in tongues before you come. So, as you are scrolling through, or the Spirit of God will tell you, click on this, pick this job. So, pick this job and stuffs like that. So, let's see other expert electrical. The other okay SEO. What is SEO? SEO is search engine optimization. So, looking for a native English speaker to write articles on money making online. Okay, now let's say I go for this job. Now, what do I do next? Now, you have to read the content very well, read what they need. So each article will be 3,000 words per blog post. I will provide you with the topic and keywords that you need to use in each article. You should not use AI tools. So don't use AI tools like ChatGPT to write them. It must be written by yourself. The payment will be just on Upwork on a fixed price of $10,000 per trade. So they're offering $10. I don't know. I like saying $10,000, $100,000. Money is good. You understand? So $10 per 3,000 words for each article. So it's $10,000 they're offering. So that's now. How do I pitch this thing? What do I say? Because there are a lot of persons that also wants this job. There are a lot of persons that are also pitching this job. Now, send a proposal for okay. There are a lot of persons that needs this job also. So what do I do next? The first thing I do, preferred qualification, independent, okay, location. So if you are not this is location location America, Europe, United Kingdom, blah blah blah. That does not really matter to me. I don't see that because of the voice of God that I'm using, because I use the voice of God. The voice of God will tell me what to do. English, language, English. So what do I do next is, let's say I apply for this job. So as I'm applying for this job, I've read all the contents. Now, so I'm going to write a proposal later. You see, you can, how many minutes do you want to do, blah, 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 all those kind of things. You can set them. So I'm going to write a proposal. This is where the voice of God, because it's your proposal letter and what you attach to this that will make them pick you. So, so what do I do? So before I write this letter, I've read everything concerning this thing, and the voice of God spoke, pick this one, pick this one. So the next thing I do is I switch into my vision realm. Okay, before I go into the vision realm, let me teach on praying in tongues and using it to get answers. So what do I do? The first thing I do, I relax. As I'm relaxing, my mind is on these things here. My mind is on these words here, everything here, everything that they need, everything. I've read it, so it's already in my mind. I've read everything they need. So what do I need? I need to know what to write in my cover letter. Your cover letter don't need to be long. Your cover letter does not need to be much. All you just need to do is to write, is to use the right words. So I'm sitting down and I'm praying. Mepako, shapambela farundi, mevizeluska, ambaronda bagevendi. So as I'm praying, the first thing you should do is expect to hear a word. Expect to hear a word. So it could be the word could drop in your mind as a thoughtful, and you can just feel okay, write this word. Go to social website, look at what they do there, model same thing, change this word, add this word, but you need to what engross, you need to what pray very well. Make sure your mind is on it. Picture yourself. So now you have to what? Picture yourself, right? Getting this job first thing. The first you have doing is you are picturing yourself getting this job. You picture yourself. So you see yourself, number one, you see yourself in your imagination, you see yourself already getting the job, already having the job. Now, after you've seen yourself, the next thing that you are doing is expecting a word that you will use, or expecting words that you will use for your cover letter. So as you see yourself getting the job, the next thing you are doing is expecting. So it's just like as you are praying in tongues, when you are praying in tongues, there's this expectation that you want to hear something from somebody. Let's say we're having a discussion, and as I'm talking to you, hey, how are you? How do you do? And he said, fine. I'm expecting to hear a word from you. So you have to go into that realm with expectation. So you have to first of all see yourself getting the job. If you don't see yourself getting the job, then you need to actually work on that thing, or you have to feel that you're already doing the job already. So these are the things. So your cover letter is very, very important in getting this job. Your cover letter is very, 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 very important in getting this job. So the voice of God is going to teach you or tell you what to write. So as you pray it on Nepako, Epanande, Bevranda Shate Menakailo, Evrandi Zenande Paranto, Mekwate Pakopa. As you pray, expect to hear a word. Expect to hear a word. So as you are praying like that, it could take you, for those of you that are just starting it, for those of you that don't know, for those of you that have not used this technique or used praying in tongues to get answers before, it could take you 10 minutes, it could take you 3 hours before you can get the word. But the more you do it, the more easier and faster. Like as I am now, it could not. Yes, 10 minutes I start getting what to write. 10 minutes. So expect to get a word. So as I'm doing that, all of a sudden I start seeing things. I start hearing things in my spirit. So the next thing I do, the Spirit of God can tell me what to upload. You can tell me this. There's a course you actually did. You did an SEO course from so place. Upload that thing. You did a cover job, a particular design. You did a particular job, a writing job for a particular client one time. Sorry, upload that one also. So these attachments, these are the things you are going to. So some of the samples of the job you've done before, the Spirit of God will tell you the specific ones to upload. This is what I'm trying to tell. It's specific. So a lot of you have written proposal, uploaded no result, because you are not submitting the specific one that is meant for that particular job. Because every job has what it takes that will make them hire you. So that specific thing that will make them hire you, that's what the Spirit of God will tell you to upload. And that particular word there's a particular word that will make this person to hire you. So it's that particular word that the Spirit of God will tell you to write in your cover letter. So that thing, once you apply everything I've said in this video, you put it together, you start seeing it. Or the next one, I'm going to teach you how to see it in your dreams. In the next video, I'm going to teach you how to see what you write in your dreams, how to see what you write in your dreams. So this is the first thing you need to do. I'm speaking it on. So what I said, let me go back again. You have to first of all see yourself in your imagination already being hired to do this job. Number two, you pray in tongues and expect to hear from God. You have to expect to hear from God. So the first thing is what? See yourself already being hired to do this job. Number two is pray in tongues and expect to hear the word that you will use for your cover letter and the specific samples of job that you've done that you can attach to your cover letter. So after you've done this thing, I bet you watch how you start having clients from Upwork. Before you know what is happening, you're making $1,000, $2,000, $3,000. The voice of God. I know you've paid for several classes. You've paid for master class. People will tell you pay 5,000, 5,000, 50, 10,000 naira to join my master class. I'm going to teach you how to make $3,000. You've paid. You're not still seeing results because you don't understand that the voice of God is missing. So no particular thing will work for everybody. The same thing that what is working for this person will not work for me. So the person is only teaching me what he or she has practiced and has given him or her result. So the person is only teaching me that same thing. So me, as I'm here, that I understand the voice of God, I know that what works for him might not work for me. So what will work for me, I need to find it in the realms of the spirit. So the spirit of God will what? Will tell me what to do by giving me instructions. So the ways I can change some of the words, I can tweak some of the things, I can do this one, remove this one, add this one, and you see how you start getting results from Upwork. And after that, after you've done doing that, all you have to do is what? Send. Boom. And watch how you start making money. So do not forget, share, like this video, like if this video has blessed you a lot. Don't forget to subscribe. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you share, make sure you comment below, and drop comment, very very important. I'm going to respond to each comment on this video. I'm going to tell you what to do, how to do it. I'm going to teach. Don't forget, make sure you follow the next series. The next series, I'm teaching you on how to see it in your dream on Upwork, how to sit in your dream. So on this channel, I'm going to be teaching people how to make money or how to get jobs, how to using the voice of God, how the voice of God can help you make more money, how the voice of God can help you from attracting things. So that is what you'll be learning from this channel. And in this channel, I'll be teaching you on how to hear the voice of God. For those of you that have not that don't know how to hear the voice of God, watch my videos. I've done a lot of videos on how to hear the voice of God through speaking in tongues, how to see visions, how to see names in the realms of the spirit, stuff like that. A lot of video, a lot of powerful content that you can't see online. I've done them in on my YouTube video. Just watch those videos and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. God bless you. Don't forget to subscribe. God bless you.